Promelectro-Kharkiv is a leading national manufacturer of pumping facilities, the only plant in the country with a complete production site. More than 50 models of the household electrical pumps, as well as the electric engines and other products of the plant, are widely acknowledged in the Commonwealth of Independent States and East European countries, which is confirmed by the European Union Certificates Production Design Activity. The creation of such reliable products starts with the quality design. In 1995, the first patent was obtained for the construction of the sinking pumps elaborated by the plant specialists, and the Vodoley trademark was registered. As of today, more than 70 nominal sizes of the products are created and produced, each of which needs about 90 names of the instrumentation. The constructors of Promelectro-Kharkiv fully provide for the elaboration of both new items and fittings for their production: punches, casting molds, lifting and loading mechanisms. All products of the company are certified in the Commonwealth of Independent States countries and Europe and comply with the European standards. In European Union, the electrical safety certificate was obtained, as well as the sanitary and hygienic passport. The production of Promelectro-Kharkiv complies with the commonly accepted international quality standard, ISO 9001. The certificate confirms that all production stages comply with the requirements of the international standard. Let us see where and how the reliable items are born, from the details production to the assembly. The machine workshop. Here, the rotor shaft, stator core are produced, as well as all external covers. For the last 5 years, the plant was fully modernized, and now all the details are produced on the best modern engineering tools. Turning, milling, drilling, tapping, grinding machines of well-known American manufacturer HAAS provide for the high accuracy of all operations. Only the high-quality operators are able to handle the equipment of such level, as well as the ones able to elaborate the software and make timely corrections. Over 60% of the company personnel received the higher education. The installation workshop. The winding wires installed inside the stator core, with the help or the manual and mechanic installation. The whole process undergoes the thorough resistance testing, geometry testing, both on the installation stage and after the core varnish. Casting workshop. All the casting details are produced here. The aluminum and brass are melted in the furnaces. In order to provide for the quality and process smoothness, the press forms of each items has several doubles. The form which served its useful life is replaced by the following, and thus the process is uninterrupted. The press shop. In order to collect one stator core from the sheet metal 0.5 millimeter thick, 240 strikes should be mounted on the line. The disc for the drowned pump is stamped on the turret punch press. This is an exclusive technological solution for the pump production. Automatic Molding Machines Shop. The Automatic Molding Machines Shop provides for the production of the whole spectrum of plastic details: baskets, bonnets, condenser outlier cases, impellers, coupling halves, and other components. The Industrial Rubber Articles Shop produces all gaskets, bearings, and other rubber items. Instrumental Shop. The highest precision section provides 100% of furniture for all production stages, from stamping to assembly. This is where the stamps, dies, inducers are produced, everything which is necessary for the operation of the main production unit. The quality and reliability of furniture is ensured by modern equipment, such as the Japanese electric discharge machine Sodic, Swiss Studer grinder, coordinate and milling machines, including American HAAS. And finally, the assembly section. All elements in necessary quality and range shall arrive here at the specified time. Apart from the items collection here, the testing, packing, and assembly take place. Each item has its list of specifications and norms with which it should comply, and this compliance is strictly controlled. Having received the stamp with QCD mark about successful passing of testing, the new reliable item goes to meet its future owners. About other products. Apart from the drown pumps, which are the plant claim to frame, Promelectro-Kharkiv LLC also produces the electric engines, feed cutters, surface and drain pumps. The plant products successfully conquer the markets of the Commonwealth of Independent States countries and Europe. Advantages in front of the competitors. Our company is justifiably proud of the highest quality. First of all, this is raw materials quality guarantee. We thoroughly select the reliable suppliers and producers of all materials of which we make each element. Complete production cycle. We produce all elements, and at each stage we conduct the quality control of both the raw materials and the production process according to ISO 9001. Turnkey element. We deliver the detail as a complete package ready for use. The package element which match each other perfectly up to the wires. Connection point security provide for the uninterrupted operation of item for long years. We employ the highly qualified specialists who underwent the necessary training and are able to handle the high technology equipment. It is pleasant to outline the succession traditions formed at our plant for the last several decades. The experienced workers bring here their sons and nephews. We employ the whole dynasties, and the production culture is passed and developed here. Interview with the director.
Доброго дня вам всем. Сегодня я генеральный директор предприятия Promelectro. Вкратце остановлюсь на образовании и создании нашего предприятия. Начинали мы в трудные годы, а вернее в 1995 году. Группа хороших специалистов приняла решение не торговать, а реализовать производство погружных насосов. Изучив рынок аналогов, которые были на рынке Германии, Франции, Италии, решили выпускать свой насос под названием Vodoley. Начинали мы на пустом месте. У нас было 2 станка – токарный и шлифовальный. А все остальное мы заказывали по договорам у смежных предприятий. В трудное время предприятия начали нас подводить. Комплектация поступала не вовремя. Поэтому мы приняли решение, и я считаю правильным решением, мы начали производство у себя. Закупили оборудование и начали механообработку полностью на нашем предприятии. Сложно было освоить это штамповочное производство и литейное. Это одни из самых ключевых и сложных операций. Но мы и это осилили, так как я вам сказал. После запуска основного производства мы приступили к разработке и запуску инструментального хозяйства. Здесь необходимо было очень дорогостоящее оборудование. Но мы с этой задачей справились. И когда мы справились с инструментальным хозяйством и сегодня делаем пресс-формы, штампы у себя, мы сегодня, как рыба в воде, плаваем свободно в новой технике. Мы сегодня освоили более 50 наименований глубинных насосов, больше 40 наименований электродвигателей. Но и самое главное то, что на нашу продукцию мы дали гарантию 2 года. Наш девиз, как я уже говорил, это качество. Благодаря качеству мы сегодня хорошо стоим на рынке, независимо от того, что много конкурентов.
Dealers. Our company creates the favorable conditions for the long-time cooperation and successful development of dealers in different regions. Many of them underwent sufficient growth for the time of cooperation. Now they have large companies, store networks, large warehouses. We appreciate and respect all dealers from different countries and regions. Their alphabetic list can be found on our website.